Hey everyone, Cam here, and today we're going to make sense of the Garmin GPS lineup. If you've ever opened their catalog, it can feel like walking into an avionics candy store. Except some of the candy costs $18,000 and requires an IA to install it. In this video, we'll look at Garmin's major GPS families, from portable units all the way up to fully integrated glass, and help you find the one that fits your mission, your airplane, and your budget. Let's dive in. Okay, so each product within the Garmin lineup solves a very specific set of problems. This is nice because it allows you to tailor the product to your mission, preventing you from spending extra money on features you don't want to use. The Aera 660 and 760 are your grab-and-go GPS units. No wiring, no installation, just suction cup it to the windshield or mount it to the yoke and go flying. Pair one with the GDL receiver for ADS-B or Sirius XM weather, and you've got traffic, NexRad, and synthetic vision on a bright touchscreen that works in any aircraft. The GPS 175 adds full WAAS navigation and LPV approach capability in one small and compact box. This is perfect for upgrading an older panel or adding legal IFR GPS capability without breaking the bank. Next up is GPS and comm integration, which is where the GTN 355 really shines. It has the same WAAS GPS, but with a built-in radio and intercom. It's ideal for pilots wanting to save panel space while modernizing their avionics stack. The GTN 375 takes the 175's foundation and adds a transponder with ADS-B in and out. This means that weather and traffic are displayed right on your screen, with no external boxes required. This unit also pairs very well with Garmin Pilot on your phone or your iPad if you need more screen real estate. Finally, we have the fully integrated class. The GTN 650 and Xi are the flagships. They offer full-color glass touchscreens that integrate navigation, comm and nav radios, weather, and traffic all into one hub. They're the centerpiece of modern IFR panels and a direct descendant of the G1000's DNA. Let's run through a few practical scenarios which should help you find your place in the Garmin family. Okay, so for weekend warriors like myself, you fly regularly, maybe a Cherokee, a Skyline, or an RV, and you want solid IFR capability without overhauling your entire panel. You've got two great options here, the GTN 375 and the GTN 650 Xi. The GTN 375 gives you IFR navigation, ADS-B in and out, and Garmin Pilot integration all in one unit. It's a phenomenal value that covers the essentials to keep your workflow simple. If you want a little more power, like smoother autopilot coupling, a sharper display, and full procedure management, the GTN 650 Xi might just earn its place. It connects seamlessly to other Garmin components like a GFC 500 autopilot and G5 displays, giving you a near glass experience without needing to rebuild your entire panel. If budget and simplicity is the win, go with the 375. But if you want advanced IFR flow and integration, then the 650 Xi might be your answer. Now for the person whose top priority is saving space in their panel, sometimes you don't need a new airplane, you just need a smarter way to use your space. Older panels don't always have room for a large GTN, and that's where the GTN 355 and GPS 175 really shine. Both share the exact same touchscreen interface, but the GTN adds a built-in radio. This means that you can just pull out your old comm radio, slide the GTN 355 in, and it gives you a brand new radio and a WAAS GPS with one install. These are perfect for pilots who want modern reliability and IFR capability without tearing your entire panel apart. They also pair beautifully with Garmin autopilots and PFDs for future expansion, which future-proofs your airplane for at least another decade. The third scenario is for the student pilot and the aircraft renter. We've all been there. If you're training or flying rentals, you can't modify the airplane, but that doesn't mean you're stuck with outdated avionics or the flight school's cloudy six-pack. The Aera 660 and 760 paired with the GDL 50, 51, or 52 receiver will give you weather, traffic, synthetic vision, and flight planning tools all on a portable display. The 660 is compact and more affordable, whereas the 760 gives you a bigger screen and better sunlight readability. Both of these will connect to Garmin Pilot or ForeFlight, giving you the exact same situational awareness as a panel-mounted navigator, but you can take it home right after the flight. If you're training now and plan to own later, this setup will grow with you. Portable today becomes the new backup display tomorrow. Okay, now we've got the one that I want to identify with but can't, the high-end operator. These are the pilots flying high-performance aircraft, Bonanzas, Malibus, or turboprops, where speed, workload, and capability all matter. This is GTN 750 Xi territory. The 750 Xi's large display, fast interface, and full integration with Garmin PFDs make it the centerpiece of a professional-grade panel. It handles navigation, communications, and procedures, and integrates weather and traffic overlays, and even connects to an onboard radar. Pair that with a GFC 500 or 600 autopilot, and it becomes an incredibly powerful IFR system. On top of that, you can add Smart Glide, Garmin's emergency glide tool, which is a major safety feature in this setup. If you lose an engine, it automatically builds a glide path and glides you to the most suitable airport for landing. For fast aircraft or pilots who fly serious IFR, the GTN 750 is worth every single penny you throw at it. Okay, so here's our recap. Students and renters should go with an Aera 660 or 760 paired with the GDL receiver. This is portable, affordable, and flexible. Those concerned about saving panel space should consider the GPS 175 or GNC 355, giving you compact IFR navigation without a full panel rebuild. Weekend warriors should look at the GNX 375 or GTN 650 Xi, offering the perfect balance of power and simplicity. And lastly, the high-end operators are looking at the flagship GTN 750 Xi, providing maximum integration and situational awareness. Start your decision with your mission, not the hardware. If you fly mostly VFR or light IFR, don't overbuy. If you want a full all-in-one setup, look at the 750 Xi or the 650 Xi. Tight on panel space, the 355 goes where your old radio was. And if you're renting or training, portable gear is one of the smartest investments you can make. Garmin has built a complete ecosystem, and the right GPS for you isn't always the newest or the most expensive one. It's the one that matches your aircraft, your workflow, and your budget. Okay, so hopefully this video gives you a clearer picture of where you fit in Garmin's lineup and what's worth investing in. If one of these systems caught your eye, check out my other 5-minute mastery videos and my full tutorials where I dive into each model in full detail. I'm Cam Carr, thanks so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.